Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to coil your braids. I've been carrying the hair for 3 weeks or 3 weeks plus, 3 weeks plus now, and I decided to coil the hair to this side because I want to carry it for a little bit more weeks, maybe 2 weeks or extra 3 weeks. So I now come up with this style. So I'm going to insert a clip on how to, or I'm going to leave at the link at the description for you to check it out on how I braid the hair and how I love styling the hair as well. So make sure you check the link at the description to see this video. And yeah, that is all. If you want to see how to achieve this coil, keep watching. So guys, what you need to do is either you take about 4 or 5 pieces of your braid, like I have 5 pieces of braid here, or you can increase it. You can take 6, 7, depends how full the braid is. So what you need to do is to just secure it here. Normally you can start from the root of your hair down to the tip, but because I just want to coil the tip of the hair of the braid. So here I have my thread or rope or whatever you call it. I got it from this one here. You can use any thread of your choice, wooden or any one of your choice, or you can use extension, synthetic extension to do this. So what you need to do is you cut it. I have 2 here. So I'm going to secure the 2 now. Then I'm going to pick the hair, because like I said, I don't want to coil all the hair. I just want the hair to be coiled, the tip of it. I will hold it from here. Depends on where you want to coil, is where you want to start from. So I will hold it from here where the silver hair starts. So I'm going to run it like 3 times, tight 3 times or 4. So now I secure this part, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start making them loose now. So this is how you should do it. Don't tight them. So you'll be able to draw them back to give you the coil when you put them in the hot water. So when you arrive at the tip, like now, what you need to do is, this is the thread I'm using, the rope I'm using, and this is the extension here. So I'm going to hold on the thread only and push the hair backward, just like this. So when you push them to the end of where you started the braiding, when you started braiding or when you started securing the hair, what you need to do is, you still have this part left, so run it like 2 times like this, then you secure them. Run it again, you secure. You can secure them 3 times for them not to loose up. So this is what you should have, this here. So the next thing is, I'm going to take the scissors now, and I'll chop it off from here. And this is what you're looking for. So I'm going to show you that again. I've already gone ahead to do this part off the camera. So I'm going to show you again on how to do this. Take amount of the hair that you want here. So when you take amount of the hair you want to work on, you secure the, like run it 3 times, 3 or 4 times. So for this place to be secured, then you start making them loose now. Start wrapping them loose. So when you arrive at the end at the tip of your hair, what you need to hold is this. Then use the left hand to push it backwards. Here I have it. So I'm going to run this rope 2 times and secure this part again. Secure and chop the excess one off, and here you have it. So I'm going to continue doing the remaining ones, which I have just few left here, and we'll proceed in putting it in the hot water. So guys, when you're done doing this, the next thing you're going to do is you have to wait for the hot water, or maybe you boil your hot water, you just have to wait for it to boil, then you put the hair on the hot water. So that is what I'm going to be doing next. So guys, the water is boiled. I'm done boiling the hot water, so I have it by the side here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a plate to take a little. Be very careful with the hot water when you're doing this. So I'm just going to dip in some. I'm going to take them step by step, dip in, and make sure that the plate that you secured is in the water. So I'm going to leave it for just a few minutes, then I'll take it out. So when you're doing this, make sure you have a towel by your side. So I remove them from the hot water. I'm going to use the towel now to dry them. So I'm going to go ahead now and do the rest of the hair. Then I will show you, I will now proceed to the next step. So guys, now I'm done putting them in the hot water. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to allow them now to sit and dry a little bit before I will take them out. So when I take them out, this is what they're going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. Yes, so when I'm done taking them down, I'm just going to cut out this piece here. So I'm going to show you when I'm taking them down. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now to start taking them down. So all you need to do when you are taking them down is to take your scissors, push the hair down, or you can locate where the hair has the thread you use or the wood you use to tie it, and chop it off like this, and the hair will just open. Then you go to the first place you secure it and start loosening it up, and here you have the hair. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera, then I'll bring you back to show you what the hair looks like afterwards. Yes guys, I'm done taking them off the wood or the thread I used. So I'm just going to start separating them one after the other. This is what they look like. Take it easy to separate them if you think the coil is not, if you think it's not well coiled. But I think this hair is well defined, so I can run just my finger over to remove the braids, separate them from each other. Wow, gorgeous! I love it. My God, I love it. I love it. So guys, yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.